What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send Solana from Binance to Autosnipe.Ai. Also, if you guys want to save up on trading fees, you can use my partner link from the description to create a new account and get 10% lifetime trading fee discount. So let's get started. So how do we exactly transfer from Binance here to Autosnipe.Ai? So the first thing that we want to do here is want to determine what you're currently using. So usually if you're using Autosnipe.Ai here, you would usually have or you've connected your Phantom wallet, which is the most popular option here. So in my case, I'm using my Phantom wallet here. So since you're using Phantom wallet here, in order for us to transfer from Binance to Autosnipe.Ai, we need to move our funds into Phantom wallet first, then add our funds into Autosnipe.Ai. So that's the only way for us to do it right now. So in this case, you want to go ahead and go to your Phantom wallet, go ahead and click on receive, and you want to go ahead and get the address that you want to receive here or whatever funds you have here. So in my case, you can go ahead and use Solana for better access. So go ahead and click on the option here, copy your address for your Solana address or wallet here. And once you've done that, let's go ahead and head over to Binance. Now in Binance, you want to go ahead and access your wallet at the top right here, and you want to go ahead and go to your spot wallet. Now you want to go ahead and click on the withdraw option here. Go ahead and choose your coin. So since we have Solana here, let's go ahead and choose Solana. Let's go ahead and enter our address. And by the way, for the network, you need to use the Solana network here, Sol. So in this case, by the way, you could double check this on your wallet first in Phantom wallet. So yeah, so go ahead and make sure to choose the correct network here. So in my case, I'm choosing Solana. So make sure to choose the correct network here. So choosing the correct one can actually lead in you losing your funds. But go ahead and indicate how much you want to withdraw here. Click on withdraw to send your funds from Binance into your Phantom wallet. But once you've done that, what we need to do next is we want to make sure that we receive this in our Phantom wallet. Go ahead and make sure that you receive it first. But once you've done that, let's go ahead and click on our wallet in your Autosnipe.AI account. Go ahead and click on your wallet at the top right here. You should see deposit and you should see Solana transfer. Now, what we need to do here is we want to go ahead and indicate how much we want to go ahead and deposit into our Autosnipe account. So in this case, maybe I want to add, like, for example, 0.1. So this is an example. You could also add your priority fee here. So this is actually the chance, or the higher the fee to add here, the more chances of getting your transaction approved or done. So go ahead and click on deposit. It should open up your wallet here. It's going to say confirm transaction. As you can see, it's going to give you the network fee for this one, which is 0.00003 Solana. And the amount is this one, so that's what we indicated. So you can go ahead and click on confirm anyway here to confirm the transaction, and you should be able to add your funds to your Autosnipe.AI account. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.